Jai Hind students, today we will learn international number system. Before this, let's revise Indian number system. We have learned till crores place. In ones period, there is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. In thousands period, there is thousands place and 10,000s place. In lakhs period, 10 lakhs place and lakhs place. Crores place comes in crores period. So the given number is read as 3 crore 67 lakh 53,239. Let's see place value chart for international system. In this, we have ones period, thousands period, and after that millions period. In ones period, there is ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. In thousands period, thousands place, 10,000s place, and 100,000s place. In millions period, millions place, 10 millions place, and 100 millions place. 5-digit numbers are read the same way in both the systems, whereas 6-digit and greater numbers are read differently. Let's see one example. A 5-digit number, the given number we are reading as 10,000 in Indian system and 10,000 in international system. So here you can observe that both numbers are read in same way in both the systems. So let's see 6-digit number. So this is read as 1 lakh and in international system it is 100,000. So here it is read in different ways in both the systems. Let's take one more example of 7-digit number. So in Indian system it is 10 lakh, whereas in international system it is 1 million. The international system has 3 places in each period. These periods are separated by commas, and commas helps us to read the number. Let's see one example. The first number is 100,000. Here the comma after 3 places. The second number is 1 million. Let's compare both the systems. Both systems have same places till 10,000. After that, the places are different. For example, in Indian system it is lakh and 10 lakh, whereas in international system it is 100,000 and million. Let us read the number in both systems. So let's read in international system. For this we will use place value chart. Here you can see 5 comes in millions period. The digits 2, 3 and 7 comes in thousands period. And 8, 1, 9 comes in ones period. Let's see how to read this number. 5,237,819. Let's read the same number in Indian system. Again we will use place value chart. Let's separate the periods. The digit 5 and 2 comes in lakhs period. 3 and 7 comes in thousands period. 8, 1, 9 comes in ones period. So the number is read as 52 lakh 37,819. 819. Let's solve exercise 1C. First question is rewrite using figures. In that A, 10 people have about 1 million hairs in all. So this number is written as 1 million. So here you can see there are 6 zeros on 1, then the number is written as 1 million. The moon is about 356,400 kilometers from the earth. Let's write in number. 356 in thousands spread and 400. Let's see next question. Insert commas and rewrite in words according to the international system. So let's see how to place commas. So in international system, we have to place commas after 3 digits. So we have to make group of 3 digits from right side. So count 1, 2, 3, then place comma. Again 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's see how to write in words. So 712,801. 712 comes in thousands period. So we will read it as a 712,000 and then 801. Let's see one more example. So commas we have to place after 3 digits from right. So let's count from right. 1, 2, 3, comma, again 1, 2, 3, comma and 1. Now this group comes in ones period, the next group comes in thousands period, and this comes in millions period. So let's see how to write this number. So 1,16,800. Let's see next question. Give the value of the color digit using the international system. So our first number is 234,198. So let's write places. 8 comes at ones place, 9 at tens place, 1 at hundreds place, 4 at thousands place, 3 at 10,000s place, and 2 at 100,000s place. So here we have to find place value of 3. The color digit is 3 and 3 is at 10,000s place. So the place value of 3 is 30,000. Let's see one more example and let's write places for each digit separately. So here 1 comes at ones place, 8 comes at tens place, 3 at 100, 2 at thousands, 4 at 10,000s place, 0 at 100,000s place, and 6 at millions place. So the color digit is at millions place. So therefore the place value of 6 is 6 million. The another way to write place value is take that digit as it is and remaining digit convert them to 0. Let's see next question. Write the following numbers in the Indian and international systems Let's take first example. So in Indian system, let's place commas. As we know, commas we have to place from right side. We have to count the digits 1, 2, 3, comma, then 1, 2, comma. So here the first period is 1's period, and after that we have to make group of 2, 2. Let's write this number 8,50,009. Let's see for international system. As we know, in international system we have to make group of 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3. Let's see how to read this number. 850,009. 850,009. Let's see one more example. So let's put commas as per Indian system. In Indian system, we have to make first group of 2, 3 digits and then group of 2, 2 digits. So the number is 16,70,112. Let's place commas as per international system. So here we have to make group of 3 digits from right. So this number is read as 1,670,112. So students, thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.